Do you always ask, "How are you?" in formal conversations? Let's upgrade your English. Today you'll learn 20 professional and polite ways to ask and answer, perfect for the workplace, emails, meetings, and interviews.
We'll show you real examples using natural-sounding formal English, so you can speak with confidence in any situation.
Good morning. How are you today?
I'm doing well, thank you for asking. How have you been lately?
I've been very well, thank you. May I ask how things are going for you?
Things have been going quite smoothly, thanks. Is everything going well on your end?
Yes, everything is going well. I appreciate you asking. How is your day progressing so far?
It's been productive, thank you. How are things on your side?
Things are going well, thank you for checking in. How have things been with you professionally?
Quite steady, and I'm grateful for that. I hope everything is going well with your work.
Yes, everything is on track. Thank you for your concern. How's everything at your end?
All is well, thank you for asking. How are you holding up with your current workload?
I'm managing well. Thank you for your consideration. I trust you're doing well?
I am, thank you. I hope the same for you. How have you been adjusting to the new role?
Quite well, actually. It's been a smooth transition. How are things progressing with your team?
Progress has been steady, and we're meeting our goals. Is everything satisfactory on your side?
Yes, everything is satisfactory. Thank you for inquiring. I hope this message finds you well.
It does, thank you. I hope you're doing well too. I trust all is well with your current projects.
Yes, all is progressing as expected. Thank you for asking. How are you managing things these days?
I've been managing quite well, thank you. How have things been shaping up on your end?
Things are shaping up nicely. I'm pleased with the progress. Are things going according to plan for you?
So far, yes, everything is on schedule, thank you. How are you finding the current situation?
I'm navigating it well. Thank you for your support.
No more repeating the same old, "How are you?" Now you've got professional ways to sound polished.
Perfect for emails, meetings, or formal conversations. Which one will you use next?
Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more business-level English boosts.